Whole Foods pizza slaps.
Oh, there you go. Like this fake smile. Remi, stop. What you're holding here represents so much pain for yourself, for the animals, for the planet. It's not a joke. Hey, Frugivore, welcome back to the Frugivore Diet channel. So today's video, we're going to check out MissRemiAshten. Check in on her on TikTok because it's been a while. I want to see what she's eating in a day. And I did notice that she is definitely, looks like she's gained almost all the weight back that she lost initially. And her weight is just like this. So we're going to talk about that. And yeah, today we are actually going on a road trip, and I'm going to show you in tomorrow's video what I eat in a day on the road trip. And got my outfit of the day on here. I don't really go in for this outfit of the day and all that stuff, but I want to show you, hey, I made this top, and I like to inspire you to make your own clothing and also buy secondhand. These jeans I wear all the time. I don't care. It's like they were $1 or $2 from the secondhand store, and my shoes were $2 from the secondhand store. So you can do it very cheaply and still look smart. I'm not really into that high-waisted look, but I sometimes kind of wear them. But I like to, you know, let the belly free. Anyway, definitely, if you enjoy these videos, these daily videos, leave a comment down below. It helps the algorithm. Vote on the video, be interactive, and let's get into it. Let's see what MissRemiAshten is eating. Okay, so MissRemiAshten, let's check out what she's been up to. She has 390,000 followers on TikTok. Okay, and look, this one's playing already. All right, we have food there. We're going to go straight to this one and see. I haven't watched any of this. And first up, I can see that she definitely has gained pretty much all the weight back that she's lost. And I've been warning her over the years to, you know, avoid low-carb diets and to stop eating so much crap, honestly, and get on Raw to 4, get on fruit-based or plant-based. And, you know, she would change her life and her weight and her health. But that doesn't seem to be happening. Anyway, let's check it out. Okay.
Welcome back to another day in the life.
Hang on, the Remi Cruz Nut Pods collection is now live. I can't believe it's real. Nut Pods, I don't know what that is.
I woke up this morning, brushed my teeth, made the bed, pet the dogs per usual, and then I got working on my hair. Today is a very...
Okay, so with the hair, like, I mean, to get curls like this, just put your hair in like, well, this is what I do. I just tie it in a bun on top and then tie it overnight, maybe put a bit of salt water and it comes out really curly. Well, wavy.
Very exciting day, which you guys will see very soon. I needed my morning
Okay, she got the coffee in there, straight for the drugs, first thing.
Coffee to get me up, give me energy. I had some nut pods.
Oh, wow. So she said to get me up and to give me energy. Imagine waking up and being reliant on a drug. You know, reliant on drugs to actually get you up. This is unacceptable. We have to stop this trend that is just taking over the world. You know, people are just like getting up, taking drugs instead of actually having real nutrition. Get a juice in, get smoothie in. You need it for actual real energy, not stimulation.
Pods in my coffee, little hint at what today is. It was delicious. Then my friend Eros came over and did my glam, and how gorgeous is this like soft shimmery glam look.
I just really don't like the fake eyelashes, and I've worn these before, and I just prefer to see her real face. I recommend My Naked Lunchbox, MissRemiAshten, and anyone who is still painting their face.
Shimmery glam look. It was so pretty.
Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so we have some very old wartime underneath, and then we have cream cheese, I'd say, that is just, you know, old, very old cow secretion solidified, and then some dyed like salmon, smoked salmon, you know, like they dye this. I really do believe they dye to maintain the color. And then, yeah, some cucumber, a little bit fresh on top, but yeah, no.
Had some breakfast. I did a bagel and lox, added some little nails on, and my whole team came over.
Added some nails on? You already got nails.
Because as I said, today is a very big day. Today we are shooting my...
Oh, here we go. Nut Pods Remi Cruz collection. Why is she doing this face?
My Remi Cruz Nut Pod.
What is she doing? Calm down. This is scary. With those extra white teeth.
Collection, which is so exciting. If you guys...
Okay, so chocolate, vanilla, cookie bar. She's just cashing in on some trend, I guess. Dairy-free creamer. I mean, it's good it's dairy-free, but it just looks like it's full of artificial sweetener or something, most likely. Cashing in.
Haven't heard of Nut Pods. It's a dairy-free creamer, and I made a little collection box.
Yeah, she's definitely gained so much weight. And when I say that, I'm not judging her character or who she is or how I feel about her as a human. I don't care about that. What I care about is the fact that she's been trying to lose weight, to get healthy. She has health issues. We know PCOS and other health issues for like, she's been trying to get healthy for years and years and years. And I've been trying to help her for years and years and years, like almost like a decade, it feels like, you know, so to see her failing is disappointing for me. And I know she's so close to doing fruit-based, as in like, if she would just get the book basically, or talk to me, or, you know, then I can help her, you know, overcome her issues and get lean for life. Remi, listen to the people getting the results that you desire. The people like myself who are actually healthy. Sure, there's heaps of slim people out there, but are they healthy? And have they maintained their weight loss for over 11 years like I have myself? You know, I'm obviously getting the results she desires. I'm healthy, fit, lean. I'm being kind to animals. This is a bonus. Like, this lifestyle is amazing. And you can see in my 20s, I was in worse shape, right? And I was unhealthy and I was not feeling, you know, there was the start of me being healthier up the top there, but I was feeling depressed, irritable bowel syndrome. You can't see how bad my skin was. All these tiny bumps everywhere all the time. Don't have them anymore on my shoulders, my chest, my face. So yeah, proof is in a banana pudding. Check out the Raw to 4 lifestyle. Check out fruit-based lifestyle. You can get an amazing discount. Get them all my life's work for a great price. Trust me, there's so much work, so much money put into these books, and you can get it for a fantastic price. The link to the books is in the description below.
That you can get on nutpods.com/RemiCruise or Amazon. Check it out. We had Cal in the shoot.
That must be a partner. Okay, well,
a little brunch moment because I feel like it just makes sense.
Oh, there's some actually living food. That is fantastic.
I love brunch and, you know, coffee.
Oh gosh, but look what else is here. Wow. Yuck.
Tea creamer, duh.
Oh, you can see this is like, yeah, just a lot of old processed grains filled with butter, cruelty, and refined sugars.
We have so many delicious foods on set, and I did a bunch of like food prepping.
That was not delicious.
And styling. It all just looks so cute. This is one of my outfits for the shoot, a little robe moment. You guys know I love my baby blue. And the pics turned out so cute. My friend Jessie shot, and it was just amazing.
Oh gosh, yeah, lots of crap.
Obviously, had to listen to twice while we were shooting because
these aren't real foods, Remi. You need to get that. This is not real food.
I have become a once, and I am just the biggest fan right now. I had some delicious chipotle for lunch. The vinegar.
Oh, okay. So she's got some animal chopped up in this chipotle dish.
Brett is the best thing ever, and had a little nerds rope after to just give
what is that disgusting thing? Nerds rope. Okay, so this is what happens when you don't eat enough fruit, right? You're going to go for some artificial sweetener, preservative, like colored thing like this that looks like fruit, right? Got the colors of fruit, the vibrancy of fruit, but man-made. It's a science experiment.
Me a little energy boost and just a little sweet.
Yeah, an energy boost. Like, seriously, like, but do you realize that is an actual food? What?
Treat. Speaking of sweet treats, California Donuts graciously gifted me these donuts for the shoot. How cute are they, you guys? They say
no, they're just crap. Wow, her life is very processed. I mean, Remi, you cannot, you know, talk about having health issues and then eat like this and think there's no connection. What's she doing?
Cooking with Remi X Nut Pods. If you haven't been to California Donuts, you are missing out. They're so good. We ended the shoot with a little bedtime shot with the puppies. It was just so adorable. Little breakfast in bed, and then I got to eat the props. The donuts were.
Please do a video where you talk about, talk more about how this impacts on your health. Well, she doesn't realize how it impacts, but obviously we do. You can't eat absolute human engineered rubbish like this and not suffer the consequences. Her diet is shocking.
Fantastic. And then my friend Eli came over, and he and my friend Jessie, who did the shoot for the day, went out to Nobu to celebrate and just had a fun little dinner, and then ended everything with karaoke at the end.
I feel like she's just celebrating all the time. Like, her diet is just, you know what I mean? Like what most people would have, I don't know, once a week or something. She's having almost every meal these, like, I don't know, takeaways and stuff like that a lot.
The night. So it was just an amazing, all around amazing day. Thank you guys for all the support. This wouldn't be able to happen without you. And check it out at nutpods.com/RemiCruise.
Okay, so Remi, that's a shocker. That is a shocker. So you can see that she's not eating well. Hang on, let's see. There's probably another one here. Let's go. Homemade cookies. Oh, here's a pizza shot. Hang on. Let's look at this one.
Life. I wear this pajama shirt like 5 out of the 7 days of the week, so that's why I'm
Okay,
always
this is a day in the life, so she might show her food.
wearing it, just so you know. I do wash it though. And I woke up, I made the bed, said hi to the pup.
Okay, gotta get that espresso in there, right? Very strong.
Had some coffee, made myself a mocha with some classic chocolate nut pods, jumped on a
She
little Zoom
definitely
with
has-
Wit to talk about some work stuff, got ready, did my makeup, put a lot of dry
She definitely has a nutrient deficient diet because she's getting on the coffee.
These are the ones from Impress. They are fantastic.
She's
and
sticking on nails there, right? Okay.
make my life so easy. Had to go macro bar on the way to Ollie.
Go macro bar. I mean, I don't know what's in that, but it didn't look shocking. Hopefully it's plant-based.
His old apartment. He was moving. I wanted to go help out. Went down to Whole Foods, got him a cute little orchid to put into his new place, got his favorite snacks, and got a bunch
That's his favorite snacks?
of pizza for the movers because they were so nice. Got some cookies too.
Don't poison the movers. The removalist got that pizza, it seems. So you've got all this packet stuff. Very packet life. It's a very, very packet bunker life.
Honestly, Whole Foods pizza slaps.
Oh, there you go. Like, this fake smile. Remi, stop. What you're holding here represents so much pain for yourself, for the animals, for the planet. It's not a joke. Like, she just puts on this fake smile, like, like everything is just wonderful. And I can just imagine when the camera's off. I can just imagine. She's causing so much pain for herself and others. And others, including animals, right?
Drove over to the Dear Media studios, and I got very lost along the way. That building is very confusing. And Alicia and I were on Kelsey Kreppel's new podcast called
Oh, Alicia. Alicia looks slim. I might have to catch up on Alicia.
Circle Time, which was so much fun after we went to Joe and the Juice and got some work done. And
Oh, it looks like she might have had a smoothie or a juice or something there, which is great.
then I was so hungry when I went home. I just made some carbonara
Oh, God. Just more packets, pretty advertising, marketing, ramen, spicy chicken.
noodles. They were delicious. Cal says hi.
Stick it in your bunker.
And finished the night with Bob's Burgers. Welcome to
Finish the night with Bob's Burgers. I don't know if she's talking about the cartoon or actual burgers or something. I don't know. But like you can see what's going on here. A very packet life. You got some juice there. Hopefully or a smoothie or something like that. Having this pizza thing. Oh gosh, horrible. And like everything just... It seems like she was brought up on a lot of junk food. I don't know for sure, but, you know, she's eating this way is highly likely. Oh, Remi. I just want you to get the connection between what you're eating and the weight you're carrying and the health issues you have. How can we get to Remi? She still doesn't get it. I just don't know. Anyway, please don't eat like her. Please don't follow these lost influences and eat like they eat. You can see it's not working for her, and it's not working for the animals, not working for the planet. Get a clue, Remi, please. What? There's more here. Mr. Beast burger? Mr. Beast has a burger. I don't know. This world is just going crazy. Like, look at this thing. She's just binging. She's just on one huge binge now, and she will get bigger and bigger. And then she'll go on another diet, and she'll, take some drugs likely to try and slim down and go low carb, and just like she's been doing for like a decade. Sad. All right, please don't forget to go fruit yourself. Don't end up like these individuals, and I'll see you next video. And next video, don't forget, is going to be a what I eat in a day while traveling.